I feel great with my new style. I'm Michelle and I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I was impressed with the facility, very nice and luxurious. I was happy with my drivers. Everyone was friendly. So what motivated me to make the change was, at this stage of my life, I'm taking a sabbatical and I wanted to start doing something for me. So I think the treatment was fine. I really liked Dr. Eric because he was very gentle and walked me through the whole process, made me feel comfortable. I didn't like getting shots, so he took breaks if I needed to. He has a very compassionate spirit about him. I was doing some research. I researched several locations and I decided on this location, Playa del Carmen, because you can take a vacation at the same time, and I love Mexico.